Alright, so in this video I'm going to be taking a look at Amazon's cheapest valve spring compressor. As you can see here, it's a simple little kit. It starts off with adapters from 16 millimeter all the way to 30 millimeter. So you get the little handle, you get a couple of extensions here, and it's pretty straightforward how to use this. So what I'm going to do is I'll take this out and then I'll go ahead and set it up on some heads that I'm working on. So I'll go ahead and show you guys just really quick, or demonstrate for you guys how this little kit works. But these kits are, well, they range anywhere from $15.99 to like $25.99. So it just depends if you grab it on a sale. I got this one, I think, around like $16 or $17, which is pretty cheap. So after lining my compressor tool here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the little turning handle for this. So you could turn it from the top here, or you could do it from the bottom. I just find this a little bit easier to do, but it could be used in either way. Okay, so now it's time for my keepers. Alright, so that's going to conclude this video. I just wanted to show you guys what you can do with one of these little cheapy Amazon valve spring compressors. So, really cool little tool, cheap. I went ahead and did on this Ford Pony head here. It's off a 3.8. So I went ahead, replaced every single valve. I did not do the springs. I just reused the old springs and the keepers, but all new, brand new valves, fully lapped and then installed, obviously. So I want to thank you guys for checking out this video. I'll have links down below where you can buy this kit, and I will see you guys on the next one.